MTDCNC have travelled to Castle Donington, to the home of LK Metrology. Now, we're here today to be discussing your November the 13th open house. Now, why should people invest their time to visit this event?
So the idea of the day is it's an Ask the Experts day. So we're going to have people on hand from LK and other metrology companies for customers to bring problems to us, bring problematic parts that they can't currently measure, bring them on the day, and we'll come up with some ideas on how to help these guys out.
And what technology will you be exhibiting?
So in our demo room, we currently have 5 different CMMs on show. So there's a great range of CMMs on display here, but we'll also have our new ALTERA C launched that day, a brand new compact shop floor CMM.
Shop floor CMM?
Yeah, so the idea is it can work with your machine tools in that factory environment. As well as that, we'll also have automation running, and on top of that, we'll be doing factory tours around our UK manufacturing facility.
Now, I see the automation cell with a scanning head. Can you just give me a little bit, whet people's appetite to this particular solution? And again, you are a bespoke solutions provider as well as a CMM manufacturer.
That's it, yeah. We like to do bespoke solutions. In this case, this is one of our small ALTERA S CMMs running with the robot and the laser scanner, giving high accuracy laser scanning on the CMM, so automated. No manual intervention in this case. The robot and the CMM are just running 24/7.
And for people that don't know, LK manufacture here in the UK, as you mentioned, you'll get a full tour of the manufacturing facility. How many CMMs do you actually manufacture and what kind of range?
So from the UK, we do about 300 a year. The smallest one we do is a small 755 CMM. The largest we'll do is as big as you want. Come to us with an issue and we'll try and make a machine big enough to measure it.
So a very exciting event on the 13th of November. Make sure to contact LK Metrology to register.